Hey guys, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today I'll be showing you another video tutorial on how you can download and install Valorant on your computer. So let's get started. So Valorant is a new free FPS game by Riot Games. So simply go to your web browser and type on your address bar playvalorant.com. You'll be taken to this page of Riot Games, and if you don't have your account, just simply click on the play now and click on the make one. But if you already have a Riot account, just simply sign in your account. Once you are already signed in, you can go ahead and click on the download button and start the download of the installer of the Valorant. Just wait for the download to finish. Once done, open up the installer. Then you can now close your web browser. Click on the install. If you don't know or you wouldn't like to change the default installation path, but if you would like to change some settings, click on the advanced options. You can choose where to install the Valorant game. I'm going to install this on another drive, so I have here. I'm going to select the games folder and click on install. Now it will ask you to sign in your account, so just simply sign in your Riot account which you have just created a while ago. You can choose to stay signed in if you are using your computer as your personal gaming desktop, but if you're logging in on public computers, just leave that unchecked. It will ask you to accept the terms of service. Just simply hit the accept button. So it will ask you to update the Valorant once done installing the files, and now you can actually play the game. Upon starting the game, it will ask you to that the Vanguard is not initialized. So what you have to simply just do is click on your boot computer and it will automatically install Vanguard on your computer. So that's it guys for this video. Hope you don't forget to leave a like and comment down below your feedbacks, and I'll try to help you out. If you have any problems, just check out this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, click that subscribe button and bell notification to get updated with the latest tips and tricks on this channel. So till then, see you again in the next video.